Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find favorite friends on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then hit right here at menu icon, and among these shortcuts you have to find the feeds and tap on that. And right here at that toolbar you can easily find that favorites tab. You can hit right here at manage favorites, and right there you can add or remove some of your friends to favorites. You can just hit on add next to person's name to add there to that list, and also in here you can tap at three dots icon and remove some user from favorites if you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.